The Raquel Welch Fall 2019 collection is ready to go gorgeousness. Right out of the box. Instant style, effortless styling, endless compliments. Just as natural and easygoing as a wig can be. Now every day is a great hair day with Raquel's 2019 Fall collection. Editor's Pick Elite offers you the same beautiful look of flowing waves, but brings it to you now with even more comfort and stylability than ever before. The monofilament top and hand-tied cap construction make this fashionable style a must-have. With soft, undulating waves carefully sculpted into this graduated bob, going places gives you incredible style and movement that's sure to turn heads. The monofilament part and lace front make this style an absolute joy to wear. If you're looking for luscious, silky smooth hair without the effort, Nice Move is the answer. This long and layered style is an instantly glamorous look that's made even more current by the trending center monofilament part. The wigs in Raquel's 2019 Fall collection make getting ready for your day easy and effortless. Great shapes and fit, great chic and style. You can have everyday luxury in no time with the Raquel Welch wig collection.